Too bad. Let's go.
Coming!
Come on. You're up.
I got you.
That must be good.
Feeling chilly?
Need a breather.
Let me teach him a lesson. It's your turn now.
Say your prayer.
This one's for you.
You're up.
Need you much. So ready.
I'll show you what I can do. Okay. That'll do. Someone looks kind of shaky. Yeah! Thanks for coming to help. You've got this.
About damn time. Bang, bang. Time for a serious ass work. Gotta look.
Hey!
You needn't worry. Their newfound fear of the outside world has driven them home with all haste.
You speak chicken?
More or less. They were quite eager to return to the village. Khazra must take excellent care of them.
We should go too.